Atlas Copco has over a century of experience in compressor technology. Our oil-free scroll compressors embody that expertise. The SF delivers 100% pure Class 0 certified air to protect your processes from oil contamination. From laboratories and medical facilities to food, beverage, and electronics manufacturing, the SF range ensures consistent, clean air when and where it's critical. Its scroll technology offers quiet operation, making it suitable for noise-sensitive environments. Minimal moving parts reduce wear and maintenance, and the oil-free design eliminates the need for oil separation, lowering installation and energy costs. Its efficient operation supports budget, performance, and sustainability goals. Every application is unique. That's why the SF range offers the freedom of choice. For maximum efficiency and control, choose the SF Plus. Available in mono and multi-scroll versions, it features a low noise canopy and the advanced electronic on-touch controller with remote monitoring and variable flow technology. If you need clean air without added complexity, the SFe Open model delivers exactly that, a no-frills solution without the extra control options or noise reduction. Atlas Copco SF oil-free scroll compressors offer the clean air, quiet operation, and compressor engineering you can trust. Because when performance matters, we make sure your air works as hard and as carefully as you do.